Today I'm in a local charity shop finding some bargain bits. Maybe I should say treasure hunt. Ahoy there, mateys. Cabinet £4. Oh, £2.80. £6 for this one. £4 brand new in box. Lots of variety in this shop. Brand new gift sets, £5 and £3. Great for Christmas.
Hi there, so I've been lucky in some of my finds today. Found this bad boy, which is a beautiful glass jar. I've seen this loads in interior design. A lot of people have it on their dressing table filled with like cotton pads and things like that, which is exactly what I'm going to put in it today, and I'm going to have it in my bathroom. It looks gorgeous. I've seen these retail online for upwards of £40, so this is an absolute steal at £2.80. Less than £3. Can't beat it. So another thing I got today was these brand new inbox slippers. Not the most fashionable of slippers, but I really like the idea of luxury massage slippers, relaxing massage action. So at £4, I thought that is an absolute steal. You're coming home with me. So I've brought them home and now I put some batteries in them. As you can see, very stylish, brand new, unworn. They still had the sticker on the bottom, but I just removed it. And you can turn it on, and this is what happens. So I'm sure you can hear it, maybe a bit hard to tell, but randomly the ankle vibrates. So it's not very relaxing. And since I brought them home, I went to look to see how much they are online. And the lowest price I've seen them for is £50. And the reviews are not very good at all. A lot of people saying, why on earth would anybody want to have their ankles massaged? I don't know why people would want to have their ankles massaged, but yeah. So if anybody would like these, they can have them for free. Just get in touch with us. At least the £4 has brought me joy. That's all I got to say on that.